This video is for 10 General Pathway. It comes out of trigonometry and it's working through the review sheet question number 2. Select the trigonometric ratio to solve these. I'm not interested in you solving them. I'm interested in you identifying. Okay, so here is the angle. So this is opposite. 19 is hypotenuse. Don't care about this one because I don't know what length it is and I'm not asked for it. What uses O and H? This one. So I would use the sine function for that question. Second question, here is the angle. So this is opposite and this is adjacent. Don't care about the hypotenuse. I wasn't asked for it and I don't know its length. O and A, O and A. This uses the tan function. And in the third example, here is the angle. This is the opposite. This is the hypotenuse. Therefore, I would use sine again. Done.